When I'm not busy stocking the office with Skittles, I'm watching idiotic ramblings. Come on now.
What's going on there, everybody? Busy day. Look here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Landstar rate cons on the desk. Thought we had 7. Y'all just got through invoicing one. Had 7 at one time, and then there's one coyote load. So funny story is that last week it was like 8 coyote loads on the desk one time. Everybody can send a little rhythm and they go with it, you know. But I've had enough for today. I gotta go turn this thing off. Hang on a second. Still running blue parrot on the desk. Off, doggone you. So yeah, I haven't really posted a video in a while. I've had, there's still an SD card after the truck show. I had a team come in, they worked 14 days. And then they quit. They were here for 14 days and then they quit. So that was a bit aggravating. I made a whole video of that, and I was pretty upset, as you can imagine. I mean, who wouldn't be? So that team that came in for 14 days and left cost me $1,700 in insurance premiums. Not to mention, hang on, put my shoes on. Hold on one second. Okay, so yeah, they cost me $1,700 in insurance loss. So we plus, you know, the drug screen for the 2, paying for the OIDA memberships. That's about $130 a driver. The decals were about $170 for the truck. The base plates was $1,550. I got that back, but it cost me $130 to transfer it to another truck. So they will get that back. That beautiful bike out there needs to be rode. So they would get that back, and hang on, let's get on this bike. So I got that back, all but $130. So I had to charge them for the $130 because that's what it cost me to move it. So I lost my butt. Made a little bit of money the 2 weeks they worked, so helped compensate. But it's a big aggravating ordeal. And brought another team in right after that. Actually, they only run team November through April. I made a video of that process as well. But just haven't put them together, you know. And I don't do a whole lot of videoing of the trucks I bring in. I guess y'all noticed that my trailer's no longer there. It just left out a while ago. Brought another girl in, and because that trailer, I let one driver go. Made a video of that as well. I just didn't post it. So, so the team worked 2 weeks, left, brought another team in. They run team November to April. The rest of the time she runs solo by herself. Let one guy go. He brought the trailer back to me 2 weeks ago and just replaced it with another driver, and they just pulled the trailer out a little while ago. Just got orientation wrapped up. Everybody always asks about the guy with the Peterbilt. That bought my Peterbilt. He didn't work out. He hasn't really worked much since he's been here. We just couldn't get along. He's New Jersey. And it just didn't work. Just didn't click. We just couldn't communicate. We'll let go with that, you know. So, he's still here, but he's not working. Trying to get the trailer back out of New Jersey as we speak. and he's trying to find another job as we speak. So he's been doing that for about 3 weeks now. So hopefully, I just sent him a text about getting all right, good deal. I just told him I could send somebody after it, or he can come, or he can bring it. So he's gonna bring it, but he needs to get on it. So that's that. And but anyway, so we're just coming here to make a video, get you guys update. We've got all the videos made. We just have not posted them. We're not gonna post them. Like I said, I was upset over that one team that left, and I'm just not gonna post a video. You know, check out the Rhino. Rhino needs brought up here to get a bath, and I bought me a new trailer for the truck. That's why the big hitch is on there. A little hot shot rig going on. I might post a video in there right now. We'll post that up for you right now. Hold on, wait for it. All right, so we got Gorley Trucking's new hot shot rig all hooked up, ready for its first load. Got to deliver this bug to Camp Georgia today. They're having a Bugapooza Volkswagen show. So we're gonna take this antique 74 model vintage all original bug to the bug show. Come on, get this dog and pony show on the road. See ya. So yeah, there you go. So bought that little car hauler trailer to haul this bike on, and the girlfriend has a trike and she has a Porsche, but I was going to buy an enclosed trailer to haul the bikes on, but it wasn't that usable. So that trailer I just bought for that truck I can modify it to haul these bikes, and it'll haul the Porsche. Yeah, I looked at a really nice enclosed trailer, but at the end of the day, it just wasn't as usable. This trailer can be more usable and community friendly with my nephew, my son, whoever. We can pull those as well. And it will burn less gas than the enclosed trailer. Not really perfect for the bikes, but it'll make do. I don't pull those bikes. I've never pulled the bikes. And if I ever do pull it, it'll probably be once or twice. So that trailer will be more usable. So we're going to bring it over here and modify it and get wheel chocks and ramps made for it to load the bikes on. I plan on pulling it to Ohio, hopefully maybe Memorial Day weekend. Pull them to Ohio, and then maybe run up to the Upper Peninsula. There's a few people I want to see on YouTube along the way, if we do that. So that's the plan with that, and so we use that trailer, and it's multi-purpose to pull a couple of those machines around, and like I said, and the girlfriend has a Porsche, a 1986 model 944 Porsche that we want to take to Ohio once, and so that will be more usable. So there's the update with that. Why I've been MIA for the last couple of weeks. Been a little busy, changing drivers in and out, and a little frustrated with all that stuff. But we're getting there, and we currently have 4. We have 5 trucks, but currently just 4 that are really doing anything. Because the guy with the Peterbilt will be number 5, and he's gone. And we're supposed to have 2 guys coming out of Virginia in June. I'm not real sure if they're coming or not, but that's the plan. So if they come in June, that'll be 6, and that's as far as we're going to go until next year. So there's that, guys. There's the latest update. You guys are up to date, not too late. And some guys are going to say, oh my God, you just made a video, make a video. Well, some people want to know what I'm doing. Come on. That's what I'm doing there. Come in. So we're going to go back to playing there. It's after 5 o'clock, and we are done there, Reggie. See ya.
When I'm not cruising in my big rig, I'm watching idiotic ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.